Ever found yourself navigating the exciting world of decentralized finance or exploring confidential cryptocurrencies and then hit a roadblock? Specifically, a how do I even get started roadblock when it comes to managing your assets securely. If you're looking to dive into the Beam ecosystem, whether it's for privacy-focused transactions, gaming assets, or exploring confidential DeFi, the first crucial step is getting your hands on the official Beam wallet. But how exactly do you download it, and what's involved in setting it up for the first time? That's precisely what we're breaking down today. The Beam wallet is your gateway to everything the Beam blockchain offers, allowing you to send, receive, and manage your Beam coins and confidential assets with enhanced privacy. Unlike some other cryptocurrencies, Beam is built with privacy by default, utilizing cutting-edge protocols like Mimblewimble and Lelantis MW. This means every transaction on the Beam network is confidential, shielding your transaction amounts and participant identities. So, if you're serious about financial privacy and want to tap into a rapidly growing ecosystem, understanding how to install this wallet is paramount. Let's start with downloading the Beam wallet. The official source for the Beam wallet is the beam.mw website. Be extremely cautious and always download from the official source to avoid malicious software. For desktop users, you'll find versions available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Simply navigate to the Downloads section on the beam.mw website. You'll see options for the desktop wallet application. Click on the appropriate link for your operating system. For mobile users, the Beam wallet is available on both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Just search for Beam Wallet and ensure the developer is Beam Development Limited or similar official naming. Always double-check the developer to prevent downloading fake applications. Once downloaded, the installation process is straightforward, though it varies slightly by platform. For desktop users, after downloading the executable file, for Windows, or disk image, for Mac OS, double-click to run it. You'll typically encounter a user license agreement, read through it, and if you agree, proceed. For Mac OS, you'll likely drag the Beam wallet icon into your Applications folder. For Windows, follow the on-screen prompts of the installer. Linux users will usually download an app image file, which can be run directly after making it executable. Now, for the critical part, setting up your wallet for the first time. Upon launching the Beam wallet, you'll be presented with options to create new wallet or restore wallet. For a first-time setup, choose Create New Wallet. The most crucial step here is the seed phrase generation. Your wallet will generate a 12-word or more seed phrase. This phrase is the master key to your funds. Write it down physically on paper, in multiple copies, and store them in separate, secure locations. Never store it digitally, e.g., on your computer, in an email, or as a screenshot, as this makes it vulnerable to cyber attacks. If you lose your seed phrase, you lose access to your funds. There is no recovery option. After recording your seed phrase, the wallet will ask you to verify it by re-entering some of the words in a specific order. This confirms you've correctly written it down. Following this, you'll set a strong password for your wallet. This password provides an extra layer of security, protecting your wallet on your device. Make sure it's a unique and complex password, ideally with a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Finally, you'll choose your node connectivity mode. For most users, especially beginners, the integrated node is recommended. This allows your wallet to connect to the Beam network and verify the blockchain automatically, offering the most secure and trusted experience. Random remote node or specific remote node options are available for more advanced users or those with specific network configurations. Once these steps are complete, your Beam wallet will begin synchronizing with the blockchain. This might take some time, especially initially, as it downloads and verifies the network's history. After synchronization is complete, you're ready to start using your Beam wallet to send, receive, and manage your confidential assets. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.